Ain't never been with a chick this bad. I ain't worried about that. Ain't never been with a chick this bad. I ain't worried about them other girls that you had. If I catch you looking at my baby, I'ma laugh. You gon' keep it real, I ain't worried about that. Ain't never been with a chick this bad.
Hey pretties, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm gonna be doing, it looks like I have a freaking orange little fro. Today I'm gonna be doing get ready with me for my cousin's baby shower. She's gonna have a girl. So I'm super excited because baby, when I get pregnant like 10 years from now I want a girl. So yes, I love girls, I love babies in general. But yeah, I took a shower because my camera was dying, so I didn't like record, you know, me like going in and stuff. Not that you guys even care about that, you know, whatever. I'm just let you guys know what I use. So I use Soulfeel moisturizing lotion. I use Palmer's Skin Success. Oh, and I use Dove Advanced Care. Well, I didn't put the deodorant on yet. I'm gonna wait till I put on my outfit. That's what I always do because I want it to be smeared and stuff. And then I used the whole set from Pink that I brought myself, the honey collection. I got me the honey mask and oh, this is mint. Ooh, the honey mask, 2-in-1 face and body mask. And then I also used the body scrub. So I use those, and then I use this. This smells okay. This whole set smells super good. So if you guys want to smell good daily and like for a long time throughout the day, because I hate when like my lotion fades away, and I have lotion that is not fragrance because I have eczema, but this is like honey, so it's like natural, you know. Well, it's probably not natural honey because no one Pink, they probably don't use natural products, but it smells good, and it has shea butter, so that's a plus for me and my eczema skin. So it's a plus. It's a good thing. This was $14.50. $18.50, and this one was $7.50, but I think I only paid $7 for all of them. I'm not so sure. I'm gonna do something different with my eyes today because I'm tired of doing basic. I just lit my candle. This smells so good. Alright guys, so I'm sorry, I'm watching Family Guy. Yes, I'm about to get ready. I'm thinking about doing like a color in my eyeliner, and I was eating my Pringles cheddar and sour cream. And you know what's the crazy part? I was always like hoping they'll do like a flavor with cheddar and sour cream because it was like one of the two best flavors to me, and barbecue. But barbecue and cheddar, I don't think it would probably be good. But I got this I got this on Sunday. It's Saturday, so this makes sense why it's almost gone. But I ate majority of this all today. This baby shower starts at 6. It's 6:04. But people are never early, and my mom just came back literally like 10 minutes ago. So we're not going to leave until 7:30, she said, which is good for me because it gives me a whole hour and 30 minutes to get ready. Because literally all I care about when I get ready is taking a shower and stuff. So that just been out the way because I took it literally just now before she even came. And I already washed my face and everything. It just makes stuff easier for me. So I just feel like I have a lot of time. Low-key rush because that's what usually I'm used to having to do. But I always do my hair first. You guys already know that. I'm going to keep it in the half up, half down style. I found my pretty brush. It was in my school bag. Because I can't find my one that I take to school. Like, I feel like somebody took it or I put it down somewhere. But I don't carry a brush with me. Like, that's really ghetto. No, I'm just playing. But I really don't carry the brush with me. It's always in my bag. So, somebody took my brush. And I'm highly upset about that. I'm going to do a half of half. I think I want to do a middle part now. So annoying. I think it came to this, guys. I'm about to do the middle part. My aunt's calling. Hello? I'm getting ready for my cousin's baby shower.
Call me Grandma tomorrow. Did you speak to Michaela?
Yeah, she says she has to talk to her mother because I think her mother did it, but she don't know the price. Alright, guys. I'm back. I'm sorry. I have to talk to her about my party. I want to have like a little mini party, nothing too special. But I don't know what I want to do. I'm getting so annoyed. Like, do I want to do a middle part? Do I want to do half of half down? I'm gonna just keep the half of half down because I already had it like that and it's already formed like that. I don't have time to be working with this hair all day, okay? I'm not crimping my hair. I'm just gonna... What am I gonna do? I'm gonna curl my hair. Let's curl that. So guys, I was like, I made a poll and I was like, y'all want a part 2 of me saying, like, doing a video on me calling up random girls and saying I took their man? I was, yo, 100% say yes. Like, nobody said no. I was like, oh god. Somebody probably said no now, but 5 minutes after I posted, it was still like no. I mean yes, and I was like, okay. So you're about to drop that. I'm probably gonna do that when I get home. If you guys know like what I should do for my birthday, comment down below like where I should go and stuff, because I really don't have no suggestions on anything. Like, I don't know where to go. And I might go to Connecticut. So you guys gotta tell me like what's a good place in Connecticut. So my friends could turn up. Okay? Okay. Alright guys, I'm gonna let my hair sit like this, so don't worry, we're not gonna stay like this, but just so like the curls can hold. And while that's going on, I'm gonna be doing my makeup. I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera because you guys saw me do my eyebrows. Y'all know I have a whole tutorial on it and everything. I'm gonna come back with basically everything probably done except for the eye. Alright guys, so I done my eyebrows. I didn't do my face because I wanna like be able to, you know, touch my face. Let me bring y'all closer. So what I'm gonna do is just take, I don't know if I'm gonna take my Morphe 350 palette or my Morphe James Charles palette. Oh, this has like more neutrals, and I'm going for like a neutral look because the eyeliner is gonna be like fat. I'm gonna post some like inspiration pictures on the screen. I'm about to just look at some right now because I don't really know what I want to do. I want to do something like this, like something natural. You really can't see it, but yeah. What's that? Oh,
You almost ready?
no. Yeah, you told me 7:30.
You'll be ready by 7:30?
Yep.
Dead ass.
Yep. I'm gonna use these two shades together, like this orangey one and this red one, because I showed you guys some picture, but now I'm using a different picture. Mom was like, I'm gonna leave by this time. I'm like, girl, bye. She wanna be there by 8:30, whatever. I mean 8 o'clock. I'm like, girl, please, okay? I'm just basically putting the outer corner of my eyes. I don't know what I'm really doing because I have to rush now. That's ugly right now, but it's okay. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. Actually, I'm just saying that. Oh, I'm about to start over. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna do like, it's not really a cut crease, but I don't know.
Perfect.
Alright guys, now it's time for the eyeliner. Oh, yeah, I forgot. I'm not doing it because I have orange hair. Like, that's gonna look weird. Never mind. But I'm done with my eyes, so I just gotta do my face. At least that saves me some time. Shoot. Now we're gonna conceal my face on my toothpaste. I found that when you leave on concealer for some time before you actually blend it in, it like covers better. So it's literally 722. Oh my gosh. I'm taking my pink Candy Rose with exfoliator. Oh, I'm doing my face so I can put my liquid off and it'll be nice and smooth. Okay, anyways, so what I'm gonna do now while this is set, and by the way, if you guys want to buy this, is $8 from Pink. Okay, so the lashes, eye makeup is done. Oh, girl. Now I just gotta put my face on. Mom gonna come home because she's in the bathroom. I already know.
I am cute, Icy. I am cute.
I told you.
I'm loving this.
Oh, yeah, baby. Yes. Alright, guys. So I'm just combing out the curls. I let them sit for probably about 2 hours. No, an hour. So it could be like nice and cute. Fenty lip gloss. Yeah. Huh? Oh, my shoes is back there. I might just put on some shoes. I don't know. I wouldn't even wear my McQueens. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You're gonna look like a freaking glass of milk. I'm out of focus when I'm far away. Ooh. Maybe. Period. Y'all already know how I was coming. Period. Everywhere I go, it's a fashion show, baby. It's almost 8 o'clock, so we're about to leave. I'm gonna talk to you guys when I get there. Like I said, I might change my outfit, so it might not be this outfit. I might just wear this tomorrow. I'm gonna see you guys when I get there. So.
Hi, Franny! Today we're at a baby shower. My sister's baby shower. Yeah, but Scott is taking the camera. So we're at a baby shower. Yeah. I'm gonna go put grandma in the vlog. Come on, Starla, let's go put grandma in the vlog. Say hi, YouTube. Say hi, YouTube. We're vlogging our Icy YouTube channel.
Oh, okay.
Icylinn is being fat, guys.
Waiting for. Y'all want to take out your phones and turn them on and get them ready.
Well, guys, as you guys see, this is the end of the video, but your girl forgot to film my outro. I mean, what's new? But at the end of the video, you guys could see that my little cousin, she wanted to basically record the ending. Her name is Jayla. So, yeah, shout out to you, girl, because she really wanted to be in my video. She's a fan of me, so I'm happy she wanted to be in my video because I love her. That's family. Like, come on. And then my stepsister, Starla, she wanted to be in it too, so she was in it as well. Then my grandma, I said my dad, my grandma and my brother was in it. I haven't saw any of those family members in a while, so I was super excited to see them. And I want to congratulate my cousin, Shatika, because she literally just had her baby, I think, this week. My mom told me about it today. Coincidentally, I'm editing this video today. So, yeah. Even though it's like 3 weeks after the baby shower, she had her baby, and now I'm posting the video, so, like, it kind of makes sense. But I would have posted a picture of the baby, but she didn't post the pictures of the baby, so sorry. But yeah, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for my videos. I'm your girl Icy. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye, pretties.
Ain't nothing with a chick that bad. I ain't worried about that.